Alright guys, I welcome you back once again to Joefos IT Services and Trading Enterprise. In this training, we are going to learn how to buy data bundle at a very low price and sell to people at a high cost, at a profitable cost. But before we start, if this is your first time visiting this channel, then kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, like this video and comment on the channel, because on this channel we talk about graphics design, we talk about how to make money online, we talk about website development, we talk about all kinds of things that can help develop you as a human being. Why? Because Joefos IT Services and Trading Enterprise is a registered business. It's registered by the Registrar General Department. So we don't deal with scam activities. We don't deal with any fraud activity. No. So please, let's quickly launch our dial pad and use this code. I want to teach you how to become your own data bundle agent. Become your own data bundle agent. So dial this code using your dial pad *161*4#. Then you click on send. When you click on send, this is what will pop up. So one for all unit transfer portal. So let's select option 1. The option 1 there is register. The option 2 is top up e-credit for retailer, for a retailer. That is if you have already registered. You select the option 2 for top up credit for a retailer. Alright, let's click on option 1, which is register. Click on option 1 to register. When you click on register, it will ask you to enter a PIN. So this is my PIN. Let me just enter it. Then we continue with the lesson. When you enter the PIN, you just need to click on send, the send button here. Okay. When you click on the send button, this menu will pop up. They will ask you to confirm your new PIN. So you re-enter your PIN again. So when you enter the PIN, then a message will come. Congratulations, your account has been registered successfully. So let's go back again. *161*4#. Please, if you think you are benefiting from this video, if you think this video has taught you something new, then kindly hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of our important videos, because on this channel we will be dropping more videos on data bundle, cheap data bundle, how to make money online, website development, blogging, and all that. We have a lot more. So let's read out the code again. Click on the send. When you click on the send, a menu will pop up. Good. Have you seen that now we are registered? So a different thing has popped up. So the first option there is send airtime. If you want to send airtime to someone, if you want to sell credit to someone, then you select option 1. So it means this portal, you can use it to send credit to people. You can use it to send data bundle to people. So you see the second option, send data bundle. So it means you can use it to send credit and data bundle to as well. Okay, so let's select send airtime and click on send. So they will ask you to enter the mobile money number that you want to send the airtime to. So let me send it to this number. Then you click on send. If you have your if you found your account, then this is how it will come. So enter the amount of credit that you want to send. Then you click on the send button. So when you do that, they will ask you to enter your PIN, the PIN that you used when you were registering for the portal. So you enter that PIN and continue. So when you enter your PIN, this is what will come. You are sending 1 cedi to this number. Reply 1 to confirm or 0 to start again. So if you think there is a mistake in the number, you select 0 to start again. If you think the number is correct and you want to send the airtime, you click on 1 to reply, to confirm. Click on send and let's go. You see, because I don't have enough balance in my account, it will not go through. Good. I hope by now you have subscribed to this channel. Let's go back to the code again. When you subscribe to the channel and you did not turn on the notification button, you will be missing a lot of our important videos. The notification button, if you want to turn it on for all. Don't turn it on for personal. Turn it on for all. So let's go back again. Let me show you how you use it to buy the data bundle too. Once again, this tutorial is brought to you by Joefos IT Services and Trading Enterprise. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's go to option 2. Send data or send data bundle. So this one, you see, you can use this portal to buy data bundle for all networks. That is Airtel, Tigo, MTN, and Vodafone. So in this case, you select the network that you want to send the data bundle to. Maybe you want to send it to a number which is Airtel Tigo number. You select Airtel Tigo number, which is option 1. Maybe you want to send it to an MTN number. You select the option 2. When it is Vodafone, you select option 3. So let me select option 2, which is MTN, and click on send. When you click on send, they will ask you to choose data bundle category. You have the flexi bundle, you have the data bundle itself, the social media bundle, video bundle, you have the Kokoroko bundle, and then the fiber bundle. So let me select data bundle because that is what I want to buy. Click on send. So the menu will pop up. You see this one, 40 megabytes for 1 cedi. You see this because you have not registered as an agent. You need to register as an agent. After getting the portal, after registering for the portal, you contact the number below to register as an agent. Okay, so let's select 99. Let's select 99 and click on 0. Okay, let's go back once again. Let me show you how you can use this portal for a different thing. On this portal, you can use it to register another person and get your commission. Let me show you that side. You can use this portal to register someone and be receiving bonuses. Okay, let's come to this one. Register a retailer. Register a retailer. So you register, if you want to register someone, you as your referral, you click on the option 5. You select option 5, click on send. The option 5 is register a retailer. Then you enter the number of the person here. So let me use this number as my retailer, as my referral. Then click on send. So you see this number has already registered for the portal. So they will tell you that account already exists for this number. Enter new retailer number. Then let's cancel it. Alright, now let's look at how to top up our account. So you dial the *161 *4 hash and click on send. When you click on send, the menu will pop up and you select send e-credit. You select send e-credit. Send e-credit. So click on that, which is option 4, and send. So you see another menu, e-credit menu. Send e-credit to a retailer. So you can send the credit to another retailer and take the money from her, from him or her. Then the option 2 there is top up e-credit with mobile money. So let's select the option 2, top up e-credit with mobile money. Now you enter the recipient number. So you enter your own number that you used to register for the portal there. And click on send. Then you enter the amount that you want to transfer. Then you enter your PIN. So please make sure that you have money in your mobile money account before you do this. All right. Let's go back again. Dial the code. And let me show you the last thing about this portal. Then we end it here. So please have you seen this number here? If you want to register as a retailer or as an agent, contact that number for more clarification. Thank you very much. Once again, this tutorial was brought to you by Joefos IT Services and Trading Enterprise. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, which I hope by now you are done with that. And don't also forget to turn on the notification button for all. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop your comment. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you very much. Let's meet in our next important lesson. Bye-bye.